Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're having something different. We're gonna try to find a stealth place that we can build a bushcraft kind of lean-to camp. There's a wood near my house. I'm gonna try to go off trail and find a place where I could kind of be stealthy and build something that we can enjoy this summer. Today is a beautiful day. It's around 18 degrees Celsius. It's windy, but it's beautiful outside. Finding Pro Mix bag. Very old, but still Pro Mix bag. What were they growing here? I'm going around zones that I never explored in this wood, but I'm trying to find like out of trails area so I can build this kind of a like stealth, because I don't want people to break it or destroy it, or you know. Found the area. I'm gonna build it in between these two trees. It's surrounded by trees, so if I put the back like this, over there very far there's a trail, but it will block the view, so I have a lot to clean on the ground, and I have to put the ridge posts, and then we can start. So for the gearheads and the one that love gears, I'm going to talk about the gears that I'm going to use to build this camp. First, I'm going to start with my Fiskars hatchet. Love this one. Very practical, small, compact, cuts very well, good stability. The weight is well distributed, doesn't hurt the hand. So I love this little one. Second, I'm going to talk about is the Fiskars folding saw. Love this one. I did a video review on both the saw and the hatchet. If you want to see it, I'll post it here. And then I'm going to use my Schrade Bushcraft knife, big knife. Very sturdy, very good knife. Full tang, completely, all the way. It's very easy to see. I don't know with the light, but it's, you know, you see it's one piece. You can hit it, you can do whatever you want with this knife. It's a pretty heavy knife, but good for bushcraft. Then I'm gonna use a cut piece of tarp, cheap tarp you can find at Walmart, just to make it more waterproof. So if it rains or wind, it will stop most of it, but I'll still cover it with branches and everything else. It's just a bonus. And I'm gonna use cheap Walmart paracord. I'm not gonna spend my good paracord on this, so cheap paracords will do. Also, I want to say that I'm gonna use dead woods. I'm not gonna cut anything or damage anything that can destroy the nature, and I'm gonna leave no trace except for the camp. But it's not gonna bug anyone, and it's gonna be made mostly with what's already here and ropes. So when I'm gonna be done after this, I'm gonna remove it. But for now, it's just gonna be a shelter, you know, for me and animals maybe. I don't care. Or people that want to use it. Unless I see that it's been destroyed, then I will not continue here. So to fix the ridge for my camp, I'm gonna use the Canadian, well, a jam knot actually. So you make a ball at the end, you make another knot near it, but you let it loose, and when you're gonna pass, you're gonna go around the tree, you're gonna pass it through, and when you're gonna squeeze it, it's gonna squeeze with the nut here, and it's gonna make it very, very strong. Test. Yeah. And the good thing is to have it around your shoulder. It's a bit lower, but the lower you can get it, you know, you'll keep the heat. If it's too high, you know, it's a bit difficult to keep everything in, and it's less stealthy too. So anyway, I'm gonna put a little bed here, but it's gonna be close to the ground anyway, so I don't need it too high. You know, if I sit, it's gotta be plenty enough for me. I don't need higher than this. The roof will go, you know. It's not super straight and level, but it's fine. So I'm gonna go and find a bit of trees to start to put in the back, and I'm gonna be done for the first part for today. We have a curfew. Curfew is back to 8 o'clock, and I have stuff to do. So for the first one, that's gonna be it for today. So I've put some branches that I staked to the ground to secure this one, and I will block the end part. So I will only need to secure these ones at some point, but I'll have to cover everything that's there, and also all of this. So I'm far from done, but I'm gonna go little by little. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.